Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video I am going to show you how to cut a picture into a circle in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly we have to open a Word document. Then we go to the insert menu and click shapes option. Then create a circle shape. Now we can see here we make a circle shape, then go to the format menu and click shape fill option, then choose picture and import a picture on our file. Now we can see here we insert a picture into a circle shape. Now click the picture and go to the picture format menu, then click the crop option, then cut this picture very easily. Now we can see we cut a picture into circle very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.